Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Creative Zen Air Dot earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them to their factory default settings. You might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is for troubleshooting. If these earbuds will not connect to your device, or they will not connect to Bluetooth, or they won't pair with your device or sync with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, any kind of troubleshooting issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The other reason is if you just want to clear all of the pairing history so that they don't pair with any other devices and then you can set them up on a new device, this is a good way to do that. And it's pretty simple to do. All you need to do is take your earbuds out of the case and they'll power on. And then we're going to come on and simultaneously on both earbuds on the back button, we're going to tap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the 5th time, we're going to press and hold for 2 seconds. And after those 2 seconds, we'll let go. The earbuds will flash several times and then turn off, indicating that the factory default reset is complete. We can then turn them back on and re-pair them as a new device.